Hey y'all, it's Ricky T and I'm coming to you from the dining room here at the Taylor Plantation in absolutely beautiful, beautiful Beech Grove, Indiana. Not too beautiful today. It's a rainy, kind of gloomy day in early mid-September, but it's going to get better. We know it's going to get better because it's always a beautiful day in Beech Grove. So it's been a while. It's been a while since I've done a review, so I got one for you today. So a couple of things to preface before we get into the actual review. So I'm doing an item from Chick-fil-A. I don't eat at Chick-fil-A very often. And the reason why is the regular Chick-fil-A chicken sandwich has 55 chemicals in it. All right. So for those of you who like Chick-fil-A and you go there a lot, if you get the regular Chick-fil-A sandwich, you're eating a dope sandwich. All right. It's going to kill you. But, you know, you're going to die anyway, so whatever. So that's number one. Number two, anybody who's watched any of my videos know that my normal thing is the bun itself, its purpose is just to hold the other stuff together, right? As long as the bun doesn't suck, it's done its job. It's not supposed to be something you even notice. I've always used the analogy of a football game. If you watch a football game and you don't even notice the referees, they did a good job, right? The game isn't about the refs. They're just there to make sure all the rules are followed. That's what I normally would say with a bun or any kind of bread on a sandwich. But since today, I have for you the, I think it's called the Pretzel Cheddar Club. I think that's what it's called. They have three versions. They have a grilled, they have the regular Chick-fil-A filet version of it, and then they got the spicy. I've got the spicy, because why not? So, with no further ado, here we go. I'm gonna pull the sandwich up so you can take a look at it. Here's the sandwich, really big piece of chicken. You got the pretzel bun, which is what it's all about. You can see some bacon. Matter of fact, a little bit of bacon fell off. And some cheese, melted cheese on there. So, fried chicken, melted cheese and bacon. I don't know how this is gonna go wrong. On the other side, you've got this piece of nasty lettuce. Everybody knows I like shredded lettuce. If you put a leaf of lettuce on there, I'm gonna take it off. I think it came with tomatoes. I ordered it without tomatoes. And then it was nice of them. They gave me a couple little packets of Dijon mustard. I like me some Dijon mustard. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw that on there. All right. I'm thinking this should be really good, but we'll see. All right, here we go. And the bacon is crumbly, it keeps falling off. So while I love bacon, having crumbly bacon is kind of pissing me off. All right, here we go. I'm gonna take a bite where there's a lot of chicken. We've been having a bit of a gnat problem. Been trying to get rid of them. I got one flying in front of my face. So if you see me, I don't have Tourette's. I'm just trying to get rid of these gnats. All right. So the chicken stands out delicious, as always, at Chick-fil-A. I mean, it should be delicious with all the artificial flavoring they put in it. Delicious. And I can really taste that cheddar cheese, very tangy. Didn't get much of the bacon, just a little bit of the pretzel bun. Like for the fact that this is all about the pretzel bun, I didn't get as much. But you saw I ate a big piece of chicken that was hanging over the bun, so that maybe that's why. So let's take another bite, where there's less chicken and more bun. Mm-hmm. Okay. So that bite, where the chicken wasn't hanging out at the end of the bun, I'm still chewing. You can definitely taste the pretzel bun. You get that pretzel flavor. And depending on what you like or don't like, it's actually a sweet pretzel. It's very sweet. Almost too sweet. Let's do one more and then we'll call it a day. Taking a bite from the middle. I can finally taste that mustard because I took a bite from the middle where the mustard is. The mustard is fantastic. It's got just a little ting of a spice and then a sweetness. So I'll have to remember that for the few times I do go to Chick-fil-A. I recommend that Dijon mustard, very good. So I guess overall, it's a damn good sandwich. You know, why wouldn't it be? Fried chicken, melted cheddar, bacon on a pretzel bun. You know, again, the pretzel bun is not overwhelming, but it is a sweet pretzel bun, in my opinion. Now, I say this, and I had a big bowl of ice cream last night. I try not to eat a lot of sugar, so when I do, it hits me a little harder because I don't eat it as much as I used to. So if you like my daughter who's sitting here, she's like a heroin addict when it comes to sugar. She probably would never even notice that it was sweet because she eats like a ton of sugar every day.
I really don't.
But she does. Trust me. It's like an issue. But anyway, great sandwich. Like I said, every component was good. Of course, I took the lettuce off. So I would highly recommend at least trying it. While I'm not a big eat Chick-fil-A a lot, this is worth a try. I might try the grilled one, just for the hell of it. But again, this has been the Pretzel Cheddar Club from Chick-fil-A. It's good. I recommend it. And until next time, God bless America.